New question, the member from Kingston and the Islands.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My question is for the Minister of Research and Innovation. This morning,
Member from
Minister
Hamilton East Stony
Moridi
Creek,
and
Secretary.
I were honoured to welcome Professor Arthur MacDonald to Queen's Park. As this chamber heard and rejoiced last year, Dr. MacDonald, Professor Emeritus at Queen's University, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. He and his team discovered that tiny particles, known as neutrinos, have mass. Dr. MacDonald's scientific contributions have advanced our understanding of the universe and set the path for new directions in the study of quantum physics and astronomy. His innovative vision has made Ontario, and indeed Canada, a global leader in the field of particle astrophysics, paving the way for a deeper, richer understanding of the world that we live in. Can the Minister please tell us more about how the Government of Ontario continues to support breakthrough research, allowing for scientific contributions such as Dr. MacDonald's to become a reality?
Thank you. Minister of Research and Innovation, Trinity College Universities.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I want to thank the member from Kingston and the Islands for that very timely question. Mr. Speaker, we are truly honoured to host Dr. MacDonald and his team here today. The Government of Ontario has committed and delivered $627 million towards 164 research projects through the Ontario Research Fund. Projects funded by the Ontario Research Fund has delivered $3.3 billion in funding and has helped create more than 100,000 highly paid jobs and training opportunities in the province of Ontario. Mr. Speaker, our government's continued commitment to funding research and innovation in the province of Ontario allows researchers such as Nobel laureate Dr. MacDonald to reach unprecedented breakthroughs and achievements.
Thank you, Supplementary.
It is wonderful to hear that the government has committed to supporting scientific research in this province. As we heard last year, Dr. MacDonald's research was conducted at the Sudbury Neutrino Observatory, or SNO Lab, in partnership with Queen's University. And as we've heard, the SNO Lab is a cutting-edge research facility located 2 kilometers underground, specializing in neutrino and dark matter physics. The ultra-clean environment of the observatory allows for measurements that cannot be made anywhere else in the world, as well as observation of rare scientific phenomena which occur only a few times a year. The existence of the SNO Lab allowed for Dr. MacDonald and his team to conduct his experiment, which resulted in a discovery that changed our very understanding of the innermost workings of matter and our view of the universe. Could the Minister please tell me how the government continues to support laboratories such as Dr. MacDonald's?
Thank you, Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I want to thank the member again for that very timely question. Mr. Speaker, the SNO Laboratory, in partnership with Queen's University, allows all universities across the province of Ontario to collaborate on significant scientific breakthroughs. The historical collaboration of the SNO Lab to the Ontario economy is estimated to be as much as $227 million. Since inception, SNO Lab has received approximately $38 million in provincial funding. Mr. Speaker, SNO Lab enhances the province's profile in the global scientific community as it is a global leader in fundamental physics. Additionally, the lab trains and develops highly qualified personnel in Ontario and inspires the next generation of scientists and engineers in our wonderful country, Canada. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.